What is up, my travel and foodie fan? Chef Q here, and today we are at, can you guess it? San Francisco Bay. And today's forecast, lots of rain and clouds and wind. It's just my luck whenever I travel far that there are freaking rain. I am here at the Battery Spencer scenic view place, which is right over there somewhere. It's a perfect spot to get your scenic picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. There's also looks like a hiking trail or a campground down there too that you can go. I think I saw some people did a proposal down there right there. Well, today, because it's raining and a little bit cloudy, you get a lot of parking here and less people. So I guess it's a trade-off, one-on-one, right?
Right here, actually.
It's like an abandoned building right here. Huh? Bathroom? Ew. Okay. I say you should not go to the bathroom here if you do come up here. Look like a jailhouse bathroom. Oh, that's the.
Let's meet up together.
Wow. Look. You can see the whole bridge down there. This little hiking trails up to the point. I bet you there are like a lot of people here on a sunny day. Today's raining, so I guess either or. You get less people up here and you get to enjoy and you get, take better pictures without all these people traffic. See, this is perfect because we get to burn off some calories before we go eat some more food. Really wish I brought my straw hat right now. Not like my hair is getting wet or anything. Barely have any hair. This is an awesome hike up. Really, really short hike, but very enjoyable. I bet this would be a lot better with the sun out. It's even raining harder up here because of the wind. I guess this used to be a battery power plant or something. Yeah, we made it. Oh shit. Woo. This is a perfect view of the bridge. This is perfect view of the bridge, huh?
Yeah, on a rainy day.
Perfect view, even though it's on a rainy day. Wow. Amazing. Ooh, check out all these love locks. There's a whole bunch of locks here on these fence facing the bridge. I guess all these lovers come in here, put a lock on there, kind of saying like, what is it? Together forever. But I wonder how many of these have broken up. Did they ever come up here and actually unlock the lock or cut the lock if they do break up or what? That's what I'm thinking. Okay, enough of this. Look. We are soaking wet like a dog. Shoot. Soaking wet. Okay, I think this is good enough. We burned enough calories. Let's go find something else to eat. Let's go. We are at the Dragon Beaux restaurant. This is a Chinese dim sum place. It's not just dim sum, but they have a lot of other Chinese cuisine. This place is actually one of the Michelin guide place. Okay, it is getting really busy in here. It's filling up pretty fast. They set up a lot of tables outside already, and it's pretty roomy in here. I mean, for San Francisco, the price is pretty decent. For a nice place like this, it might be a little bit more pricey than regular dim sum. They are famous here for their Five Guys Xiao Long Bao. Definitely going to get that. And for all dim sum places, I love to try their shrimp rice crepe roll or shrimp rolls. All right, let's order some stuff and let's get moving. It's getting packed in here. I want my food now. Pretty hungry. Right, the Five Guys Xiao Long Bao just came out. Hey, it's not in the spoon like in the picture. I guess because of COVID, so it's different now. Oh shit. Yo, that don't look like it. Look, one. It's not like in the picture. Oh, disappointed. So we got the green one, which is a spinach skin kale. And then the white one, which is natural flour skin with juicy pork. This is beet skin stuffed with beef. And then this yellow one is turmeric skin with crab roe. And the black one is squid ink skin with black truffle. Ooh, black truffle. How do I eat this? Do I need a spoon? They didn't give us a spoon though. Well, we got chili oil. Some chili oil. This is the sauce they give us. Put some in here. Uh-oh. Rolling dumplings. It's okay. Got rolling dumpling. Oh, let's see what I'm gonna try first. Let's try the turmeric. Ooh. Oh, these are, they can throw this away. It's one-time use. How do I eat this? Okay. Usually you put this in a spoon, but they don't give you a spoon, so. Should they give you a spoon? Man, this is really difficult to eat. Woo. There's some more chili oil. Cheers. You see it? Ooh. Which one is this one? Turmeric skin with crab roe. Do I taste crab? Slightly. There's plenty of juice in there. A lot of soup in there. It's like a soupy dumpling.
My turn.
Oh yeah, your turn. Okay, sorry.
You were gonna eat all 5 of them?
No.
To test them out?
Yep. Have to feed the camera person too, my wife. I can't eat all 5. Okay, let's see what she tastes. There's a soup. This is like a vinegar soy sauce base already. It's pretty difficult to eat without the spoon, huh? Oh, okay, so you suck out the juice first. Oh, so that's how you eat it, huh? Nope. Which one is that? The beet and beef? Beet and beef, the red one. Well, the skin, you can't really taste it. It's just for color. The skins are just for color, but they use natural coloring, not like food coloring to make the skin. Yay, my turn. Should I get the truffle one? Ooh, I love the truffle one. Juice come out. Chug it. Ooh, wow, this one's good. Yeah, there's slight truffle oil. All right, let's try this truffle one. It's juicy, definitely juicy. Each one of them has a different flavor, but the skin-wise, pretty much kind of tastes the same. It's just the coloring that they use is natural. Okay, this is the XO spinach dumpling. We got the chicken feet. Ooh, scallop. Jumbo scallop shumai. Giant clam with garlic sauce. Special dish of the day. It's on special, so you might not get this every time. It's on top of the shell and everything. We better start eating this before it gets like cold. Cold dim sum is not good. Especially the Xiao Long Bao. Xiao Long Bao, when you come out, ooh, it has to be hot. Ooh, let's try this clam first. See what's in here. We got, wow, this is a big clam. It's a scallop too. Wow. Oh, we got some noodles. Wow, check out this noodles. They bundle it up in like a bundle like this. Rice noodles and clams and garlic sauce. And we got this special sauce on the side. Clam and their noodles together. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. The pan is really crispy and sweet. And that noodle too gives it a different texture. Very garlicky. This is the scallop part. It's like a garlic butter sauce. Huge chunk of scallop from the clam. Very good. All right, next is the spinach. Let's try this. I'm gonna bite into it though. Usually I put the whole thing in, but let's bite into it and see what's inside. Ooh, oh yeah. Shrimp and spinach. The wrapping, it's not too chewy. I think the wrapping is, the color is from spinach too. Natural color. But what makes it different is the thing on top. What the hell is this? Let me taste this. It's like marinated, like shredded shrimp on top or something. It tastes like shrimp. With a tad of like chili oil. Next one is scallop. Jumbo scallop dumpling. Ooh. Wow. It's got a big old scallop on top. I think there's shrimp and pork dumpling on the bottom and some fish eggs on top. Whew. Yeah. This is your typical pork and shrimp shumai dumpling, but with the scallop on top, it adds like more sweetness to it. And that little pop from the fish eggs too. As you eat, pops in your mouth. Now when I go to dim sum, this is actually my favorite. I always order this. It's a shrimp and rice roll. It's very simple, but it all depends on the rice roll. So a good rice roll has to be thin and a little bit glutinous, chewy texture. Wow, let's eat this rice dumpling. Ooh. This is actually really good. It's not chewy, but the rice paper still holds together when you pick it up. It doesn't like drip down and like break apart. Oh yeah. Can't go to a dim sum place without chicken feet. Wow. Wow, the aroma of this though. Full of black bean sauce and ginger. I can smell like the ginger too. Oh, okay. Try this. Which one you like best? The clam? The clam is the best part. And the shrimp and rice paper. Okay. But the other ones are good too, but it's pretty typical for pork and shrimp shumai. Pork and shrimp shumai, pretty hard to mess that up. But what's special is they make their own wrapping here and with natural flavor like spinach, turmeric, beets, squid ink and stuff. So they make there's like a twist to Chinese dim sum. All right, so we are going to finish everything here and probably take a stroll at a nearby park here. We saw a huge ass park coming here. Let's check that out. Walk around, burn off some food, and then go eat again. See you in a bit.